Welcome. In this video, we will talk about illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing, IUU. Illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing. Many countries practice fishing without respecting quotas or environmental laws. Also, ghost fishing, lost or abandoned nets that trap marine life, is a major issue. Unbalanced demand for seafood. High demand for certain species, such as tuna, cod, and salmon, leads to overexploitation. Then, many fish stocks cannot recover before being caught again. The impact of overfishing on fish populations. Depleting fish stocks. 70% of global fish stocks are fully exploited or overfished. Species like the Atlantic bluefin tuna are at risk of extinction. Loss of genetic diversity. Catching only large fish leads to dominance of smaller, weaker fish in future generations. Collapse of key species. Some species may go extinct, disrupting the food chain and marine biodiversity. How overfishing disrupts marine ecosystems. Food chain imbalance, removing large predators, such as sharks, leads to an explosion in others' populations, such as jellyfish. Coral reef destruction. Catching fish that feed on algae causes coral reefs to suffocate. Also, bycatch. Kills marine life. Millions of unintended species get caught in fishing nets and die. The question is, how can we stop overfishing? By sustainable fishing practices, by respecting seasonal fishing quotas, by using selective fishing methods, creating marine protected areas, MPAs, establishing no fishing zones to help species recover, supporting sustainable seafood, choosing fish with sustainability certifications, fighting illegal fishing by enforcing stricter international laws and tracking fishing vessels. Another question: why is this important for the future? Because sustainable fishing preserves biodiversity. Also, a balanced ecosystem means healthier coral reefs and stronger economies. In the end, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Creating marines. Protected areas. Our oceans are vital to life on Earth. They provide us with food, regulate our climate, and are home to an incredible array of species. But our oceans are under threat from pollution, overfishing, and climate change. One way to protect these precious ecosystems is by creating marines protected areas. Marines protected areas, or MPAs, are designated areas of the ocean where human activities are restricted or prohibited. They can range in size from small coastal areas to vast stretches of open ocean. The goal of marines protected areas is to conserve marine biodiversity, protect vulnerable species and habitats, and promote sustainable use of marines resources. There are many different types of marines protected areas, each with its own set of rules and regulations. Some marines protected areas are fully protected, meaning that all fishing and other extractive activities are prohibited. Others allow some activities, such as recreational fishing or tourism, as long as they are conducted sustainably. Creating a marine protected area is a complex process that involves many different stakeholders, including scientists, fishermen, local communities, and governments. The first step is to identify areas that are important for marine biodiversity or that are particularly vulnerable to human impacts. Then, a management plan is developed that outlines the goals of the marine protected area and the rules that will be in place. It is important to involve local communities in the process of creating and managing marines protected areas. They can have a significant impact on the livelihoods of people who depend on the ocean for their food and income. By working together, we can ensure that marines protected areas are both effective and equitable. Marines protected areas are a powerful tool for conserving our oceans. They can help to protect marine biodiversity, promote sustainable fisheries, and build resilience to climate change. By working together, we can create a network of marines protected areas that will protect our oceans for generations to come. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you, and see you soon.